Alright, welcome Theater 224. We're going to go over your knots quiz. I'm going to go through them real quick and talk about what I need to see from you for this. So, we've got 4 knots that you need to know. We're going to talk about the bow end, the clove hitch, the bow end around a pipe, and the sheet bend. Those are what I need you to do for the quiz. Just like this format, without all this explanation, I'm going to have you tie the knots on video and then send me the video so that I can grade them. As you are tying the knots, to get full credit, they need to be done in under 10 seconds apiece. Anything beyond that, and I'm going to start pulling points depending on how sad they look. So, I'm going to give you some examples. I'm going to go through them slowly so you have some reference to go off of, and then I'll tie them quickly for the quiz. I've got a couple cameras going because I can, but it's totally cool if you just want to hold up a cell phone, have your mom or whatever hold the cell phone for you and just do a cell phone video and send it to me. Whatever works is great. As you can tell, I'm out in the garage with the furnace going and everything else. I do not expect these to be perfect. So first we're going to start with the bow end. You're going to have your tree here, and then from your tree you're going to go and put your rabbit hole in front of the tree. Rabbit hole in front of the tree. Then you're going to grab your little rabbit here. Comes up from behind, goes around behind the tree, and back down into the hole. Grab onto those 2 pieces, pull nice and tight, and then that is what I am looking for. Please just give it a little rotation, that way I can look all the way around it and see what's going on. So now, for the clove hitch, easiest way to do this, and excuse me, I'm going to try to do this backwards for you guys. So, you're going to be over here on this side. Rope goes over your pipe, chair leg, chair arm, dad's arm, whatever. Then it goes around underneath. When I go back up and around, see I've got this nice big X here. I'm going to continue to go around, and this goes up through the middle of the X. Then I'm going to pull that tight. Once I do, I then need to go and add my half hitch on top. Go ahead and pull on that, push down, and now I've got my clove hitch. I'm going to undo that. Now we're moving on to a bow end around a pipe. Same deal as before. Got my tree. Going to put my rabbit hole in front of the tree. Now I'm going to go around my pipe. From here I need to go up out of the rabbit hole, around behind, back down into the hole, pull those nice and tight. As you can see, I've got my bow end, but now it's trapped around the pipe. Now last one is the sheet bend. So for the sheet bend, I want to treat this as one rope and treat this as one rope. So in reality, these would be 2 different ropes that I am tying together. I know you guys just have this little short piece of rope, so one end is one rope, one end is the other rope. That's how this is going to work. So we're going to start by taking a bite on our first rope. Taking my bite here, right? Now, with my second rope, I'm going to come up from the back side here. I'm going to wrap all the way around from behind. And now, I'm looking for this little area right here. I'm going to take my end, pull that through, and now I am left with a sheet bend. So, those are all the examples for you, so you have something to practice off of. And now we're going to go ahead and tie these real quick. Let's see if I can do this a little bit better here for you. So I'm going to start with my bowline. I'm going to declare that this is a bowline. You need to know the name of the knot you are tying. I'm fine if you want to do these out of order, but I need all 4 knots. And I'm going to start with the bowline. Ready, set, go. There's a bowline. So now I'm going to tie the clove hitch. I'm not sure, yeah, you guys can still see me. So I'm going to tie my clove hitch on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a clove hitch. And now to tie a bowline around a pipe. 1, 2, 3. Bowline around a pipe. And now for the sheet bend. 1, 2, 3. There is my sheet bend. That's as simple as the quiz needs to be. Just send that in to me and I will grade it and we will go from there. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.